Are we back on?
Yeah.
I left that a 0 here in the 1,000. But yeah, remember, a billion is 1,000 million. It's not just a bunch more. It's a ST more. So for example, if we have 20 bucks, that's a case of beer. That's a fun Saturday at the river. If we have $20,000, that's 2 years of rent at $850 a month. Slight increase. There's that 1,000 times, right? Case of beer, 2 years of rent. Massive, massive increase. So what does $1 million get you? $1 million can get you an apartment in Manhattan. So $1 billion would get you 1,000 apartments in Manhattan. That's absurd. $1 million can still buy you a private island. I found 2. One in French Polynesia, one off the coast of Nicaragua. $1 million. $1 billion would buy you 1,000 islands. Okay? Scale. Think about it. So what it comes down to for this discussion is that 2.5 million is only 0.019. We'll be generous. 0.02 of 1% of the state budget of 12.9 billion. A minuscule fraction. A minuscule fraction. And we're going to dig into that here real quick and compare Arizona to a few other states. And you'll understand why it's just crazy that we even have to ask for this. So if this represents the state budget, there's 5, there's 2.5, that's about 1. So 10 by 10, this would be 1% of the whole state budget. Imagine 100 squares in there. Check this out. Enhance. Enhanced. Love that movie. We take the 1% and we do the same type of thing. This is 1% of 1%. And we're not even at that. We're at a fraction of that 1%. Way, way, way down here. Enhance again. This tiny corner. Another way of putting it is 2 pennies for every $100 out of the state budget are spent on the arts in Arizona. That's really unacceptable to begin with, but having to ask for it is insult to injury. So 5 million would basically be doubling this, and it would put it up to, 5 cents for every $100. Let's look at a few other states real quick. Oh, by the way, that makes us 46th in the country, and that amounts to only 30 cents per person in government spending. Now, from other state budgets directly, states that are smaller than us, for example, Connecticut, they get $5.5 million and they spend $1.54 on every one of their citizens for the arts. Delaware, $3.8 million, $3.92 per person on the arts. Hawaii, $6.9 million and $4.91 million per capita, per person, for the arts. Furthermore, Joseph was telling me a story. In Hawaii, every state and local government department has to have an artist on it. Streets, wastewater, every one of those civic departments has an artist. Has to. So, by comparison, Arizona spends 30 cents per person. Minnesota, for some reason, is the huge winner. $7.22 per person directly out of the state budget. And this is all from the National Assembly of State Arts Agencies, and all of the data is there and it's generated every single year. So, Arizona shouldn't be 46th. What you looking at? Arizona should not be 46th. That's embarrassing. The quality of our art in this state deserves better. Our students and kids deserve better. Our musicians and painters deserve better. Every Arizona deserves better than that. And those are some numbers. And that's all I have to say. If you can donate to the citizens for the arts, please do. And come check out Yuma. Take it easy.